Hello, so today we'll learn how to run all the jobs in parallel. So there will be a lot of use cases in the CI/CD pipeline for your company or organization where you can optimize the CI/CD pipeline by running those in parallel as they don't have any kind of dependency among each other. So let's see how we can do that. So I'll again create a YAML file for that, which is again .gitlab-ci.yml. Again, this is very important because if you put YAML, it will not work for the pipeline. So just be careful. So here I have defined the YAML and it is generated with the help of ChatGPT or OpenAPI. So I have defined this stages section here, and there is only one stage, it's test. And I have defined the job here, and the stage name is test. The script is simply executing echo printing the statement, running test in environment is the variable here, and env is the variable here, environment is the one which I am printing here, and then I have executed it is in parallel. So parallel is the keyword here, where I mentioned the matrix, which is again the env can have a lot of variables, which is dev, qa, and prod. So it will take all the parameters from here, and it will create three jobs for this test state. So let's see this into action. Okay, so the build has started, and we can see we only have a single stage, and we can see three. So and also in the jobs it shows three. So if you go here, you'll be seeing three jobs which are running in parallel altogether. So all of them are running, and all of them will be running with the help of their required variables, which is again dev, prod, and qa. It is running again on the GitLab runner, which is available with the GitLab, and now it has downloaded the Ruby image of the Docker, and we can see our checkout code is done, and finally it is running in the prod environment. So similarly, if you go to other jobs, it will be running respectively into QA and dev environment. So if I go here, you will see in the QA, and the env is replaced with QA again, and again we have one more called dev. So here we have dev. So all of the three have jobs as executed in parallel, and within few seconds we should see all of them are success. It is passed. Yeah, so that's easy how it is to implement parallel jobs in GitLab.